Imagine if with one app, you could do everything on your computer, tile windows, browse your clipboard history, or even talk to AI. What if I told you that app already exists? Allow me to introduce you to Raycast, the one-stop shop for all of your productivity needs. On the surface, Raycast is an app launcher, like Spotlight on macOS or the Windows Start menu. Hit a shortcut like Command plus Space to bring up the main Raycast window, search for the app you want, and press Enter to open it. It's simple and fast. But Raycast can launch more than just apps. It also comes with a set of extensions that supercharge your workflow. For example, the calculator extension can instantly evaluate any expression you type into the search bar, from simple arithmetic to advanced math, unit conversions, and more. What's 10 minutes from now in London? How about $8 an hour in pounds per minute? Raycast has got your back. That's just a taste of what Raycast can do, but just like that, you can now say goodbye to your default launcher and calculator apps. Raycast extensions can also help you take actions around your computer. Most extensions are broken down into commands, which you can access in a root search. For example, the Window Management extension has commands to organize your desktop like tiling windows to the left, right, and so on. Search for what you want to do, hit enter, and boom, your workspace is organized. Sometimes even searching for a command may seem slow. With Raycast, it's easy to assign hotkeys to any extension or command. Hop into settings, assign a shortcut like Ctrl-Alt left arrow to tile window to left half, and just like that, it's all done. No complex setup required. Now I can just hit that shortcut to run the window management command from anywhere on my computer. And with that, you no longer need separate window management apps. But that's not it. Not only can commands take actions around your computer, they can also display information or show other interfaces. For example, the clipboard history command is a lifesaver. It shows you everything you've copied from text to links to even images and color codes. Details like these make Raycast a perfect app for developers, designers, and everyone else. Even better, by clicking enter on one of the clipboard entries, it pastes right into the app that you were working on. And if you're trying to find something you've interacted with in the past, Clipboard History Search helps you scan through hundreds if not thousands of entries instantly, even capturing text in images. And that one command alone can replace any other clipboard managers you've been using. Then there's also the Raycast Emoji Picker, which lets you search for emojis that you want to use and insert them into your text with a tap. It's so much faster than a macOS emoji picker, and it has a few tricks up its sleeve too, such as being able to copy the Unicode values or pin your favorite emojis. The neat part about Raycast is it always just works. On one hand, you can open up the search window and search for anything on your system. On the other hand, there are also so many great features that are always there in the background, available for when you need it. Clipboard History is a great example of that. But there's also Raycast Snippets. It's like macOS text replacements, but with so much more customization. For example, I can set up a snippet with a dynamic placeholder. These placeholders include things such as my clipboard content or even the current date. With this simple setup, I can now type !date anywhere on my system and it'll expand into today's date, perfectly formatted. It's as simple and powerful as that. That'll help you get rid of any text expansion apps on your system. These features are great examples of how Raycast can accelerate your existing workflows. But we're not done just yet. Raycast also has numerous features to help you build new workflows and pipelines that can completely revolutionize your everyday tasks, starting with Raycast AI. One huge problem with existing AI tools is how you have to context switch from whatever you're working on to your favorite AI tool, such as ChatGPT, which really breaks your flow. With Raycast AI, if you need to touch up some text, you can simply fire up an AI command, which takes selected text as input and can help you make it shorter, longer, more professional, or anything you like. Or if you want to ask AI something that suddenly came to mind, Quick AI lets you do just that, straight from the Raycast search window. Simply press tab on your search bar query and you'll have your question answered in a jiffy. Meanwhile, if you have a more complex task and need a full chat interface, AI Chat offers an AI assistant in a floating window ready for whatever you need. And the best part about all of this is that you have access to all of the cutting edge models. Smaller ones like GPT-4o Mini are great in AI commands and Quick AI, while powerful models such as Gemini 2.0 Flash Thinking and O3 Mini are ready for the most complex tasks in AI chat. Raycast AI combines everything you love about ChatGPT, like the powerful models and the integrated native experience of Apple Intelligence together to create a unified AI solution that is second to none. Then there's Raycast Notes. It's another feature I simply cannot live without. It's a full Markdown-enabled floating scratchpad that you can summon at a key press. It's great for jotting down thoughts you suddenly had, as a place to store temporary information, or just as a to-do list. And when you're done, hit the shortcut again, and you're right back where you were. Finally, the newly released Raycast Focus is a powerful distraction blocker that automatically bans certain apps or categories of apps so that you can concentrate on whatever you are doing, be it writing, coding, or editing a video. And even still, it doesn't end there. With Raycast Store, the possibilities are truly endless. You can browse thousands of community-made extensions for integrations with everything from Chrome to Spotify to all of the apps and services that you love. And if you still can't find what you want, you can always build your own extensions with their simple API based on React.js. Some of my personal favorite extensions include Apple Reminders, which lets you view and create reminders at any time directly from Raycast, as well as the Color Picker extension, which lets you sample any color from your screen. So that's Raycast. On the surface, it's an app launcher, but it's also a unified interface to everything on your computer. And instead of having dozens of apps for each functionality you need on your system, Raycast lets you do everything in one familiar location. It's truly the only productivity app you ever need. And the best part about all of this is that the essentials of Raycast are completely free. Everything from window management to snippets, clipboard history, 3 free Raycast notes, and even Raycast Focus. It's a great place to get started. But if you want to truly level up your workflow, Raycast Pro comes with Raycast AI, unlimited notes, themes, cross-device syncing, and translator, all at just $8 a month. It's honestly one of the best subscriptions you can pay for since it's all your favorite apps in one package. Get started with Raycast Pro today with 10% off your subscription using the affiliate link in the description or pinned comment below. And if you're fast, I also have 5 discount codes for 5 lucky people below for a 1 full month free of Raycast Pro. Raycast is currently available only on Mac, but Windows and iOS support are coming in the near future. So make sure you sign up for the waitlist at raycast.com if you're on those platforms. Today's video was a little bit different, but I hope you guys enjoyed it nonetheless. Raycast is truly a life-changing tool. And with that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.